Hello everyone, welcome to Techguff, and we're back with another video. And today we've got an unboxing video for you guys. And today we'll be unboxing the K20 and the K20 Pro. We'll be unboxing the K20 Pro first, and let's see what's inside these guys. And we've got this box inside, and we've got our SIM ejection tool over here, and we've got some manuals. We can read that one later, and we got a cover, seems like a black cover with a Redmi logo over here, and it's quite flexible and strong in my opinion. And then we got a phone over here, and behind this phone, let me see, we've got our adapter, and this is a K20 Pro, so this is 27 watts, and then this one's USB Type-C USB cable, and that's it for the accessories. And let's move on with the phone, what we've got inside the phone. Let's boot this one. The color grading is so nice. Look at this one. I like the color, like it changes when you change the angle. And it's just booted up now. Now let's open the K20. Let's see what's inside this one. We've got the same box over here, and the SIM ejection tool, and some manuals, and the cover. We've seen that already. And inside the phone, we've got another adapter and the Type-C connector. And the difference between the K20 and the K20 Pro is the adapter. The adapter is 27 watts in the K20 Pro and 18 watts in the K20. So now let's move on with the phones, what we got inside the phones. So let's start with the weight. The weight is 191 grams, pretty fair for a 6.39 inches phone. And the display is AMOLED display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on both sides, and it's packed with Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, a flagship processor, and the graphics, it's packed with Adreno 640, and the operating system is Android 9.0 Pie, and the RAM, it's with 6 gigs of RAM, and internal 256 GB internal storage. Now talking about the camera, we've got 48 MP, 13 MP, and 8 MP cameras on the rear side, and one is telephoto, and the other is wide angle and ultra wide lens. And the front camera, about the front camera, we've got a 20 MP pop-up camera. Let's check that one. So this one has got 20 MP pop-up camera. On the left hand side, we've got nothing over here, and on the top we've got a 3.5mm audio jack and a noise cancellation, and this one's a pop-up camera. And on the right hand side, we've got a power button and a volume rocker over here, and then on the bottom we've got stereo type speakers and a microphone, and then we've got a USB Type-C port. This is not a Thunderbolt port, and then we've got a SIM tray. And for the graphics, the K20 has got Adreno 618 and the K20 Pro has got Adreno 640. and there are a lot of similarities in these two phones, almost like the feel, look, and the display and the cameras, everything are quite same, but it's a difference for gamers. Like this one's got a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, the K20 Pro, and the K20's got a Qualcomm Snapdragon 730, and this one's a flagship processor. And talking about the prices, the Redmi K20 costs you 39,990, and the Redmi K20 Pro costs you 49,990, which is a 10,000 rupee difference. For everything same, but the only difference is the processor and the graphics. That would be very helpful for hardcore gamers. And before we end the video, we would like to thank our sponsors for the video, Aryan Mobile Gallery, that is located in Mohindrapul, Pokhara. You can visit them and get the K20 and K20 Pro phones from there also. And we've also kept the link in the description, so you guys could check that out. And we've also got our blog post link on the description, so you guys could check that out as well. Hey guys, and don't forget to like our video, and if you like our channel, you could subscribe to our channel, and then don't forget to press the bell icon as well.